So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on yes. And then once this comes up, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first, you're going to expand HK local machine. Now you're going to expand system. Now we're going to expand current control set. Now we're going to expand services. Now we're going to expand LAN-man server. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're going to scroll down till we find LAN-man server. We're going to scroll down till we find LAN-man server. You want to expand this. Now you're going to click on the parameters folder. So click on parameters, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you just want to right click on the white space, and then click on new, and then click on dword for 8-bit value. We're going to call this IRPStackSize. Use the same capitals, lowercase, and spelling as I did, and then click on enter. And then once you have IRPStackSize, you're going to double click on it. Now once this comes up, you're going to set the base to decimal. Make sure that you set the base to decimal. Now in the value data box, we're going to type in 25. So value data 25 base decimal, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, we're just going to restart our computer, and then the problem should be fixed.